Hello everyone, welcome to this video. This is a video response to NicholasHedgehog666, who has a question about transferring maps. Essentially his problem is that when he transfers to a different map, his character is unable to move at that point. This problem could be caused by a multitude of things, so I'll kind of go through each one and see if maybe that helps you out. What I've done here is just made two maps. These two maps are going to link together, though they do not yet. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that, and then we'll move on. This part's a little bit tedious, especially with a big path like this. This is 5 tiles, and basically what's going to happen is that each one of these tiles is going to correspond to a tile on this map. So for example, if you teleport on this tile by stepping on it, then you will want to pop up here. If you teleport on this tile here, you will want to appear here, and so on and so forth. So we'll go ahead and do that. In order to transfer maps, you click on the area you want to teleport at. Open a event page and click on Transfer Player. And tell it where, which will be to map 2 to the corresponding tile, or wherever you want. I just prefer it this way. Retain direction, yes, fading, just for shits and giggles. We'll say OK. Now here's one of the first things that could be a problem in your event and what's causing it. You'll want to have your trigger set as player touch, so when you bump into the edge of the map, it just automatically takes you to the next place. That should be it as far as this goes, so before we move on, I'll go ahead and fill all of these out. This is not going to be tedious at all. I'm not going to mess with setting these to teleport you back, since it doesn't matter for this video, just as long as we're able to get out of this map and make it look nice. So we'll go ahead and play test this, and I'll show you just right off the bat how this should work. You should not be stuck after utilizing the teleport. Click it, and you're still able to move around, and at this point we should be able to step up here and teleport back, but like I said, I didn't add that in. So, if you do that, and your problem is still not resolved, and say you get to map number 2 and you're unable to move, the only other thing that I can think of is that you have a cutscene event or something running in the background that is probably set here on auto run. For example, when you step on to the next map, you want a cutscene to trigger. If you have it triggered with auto run, it's going to freeze you up. You won't be able to move, so make sure you have that on parallel process. That should be it as far as your issue. As long as you follow that pretty simple procedure, you should not get stuck after teleporting. So I hope this helps you out. If not, go ahead and send me another message, and we'll see what we can do. Thank you for watching, and hope this helps.